Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Badola and welcome to my YouTube channel MB's World. In my previous videos, I showed you how to make different crafts with the help of waste materials. I hope you all enjoyed it. Now today, I'm going to share an idea with you which is a kind of craft also, but at the same time very useful for you. And this again is made out of waste materials. Now, arranging and managing the house in the most beautiful and efficient manner is every homemaker's dream, and I completely second this thought. So, while I was cleaning for Diwali, especially when I was cleaning my husband's wardrobe, I faced an uphill task arranging his ties. So, I thought, why not get a solution for this problem? And while I was thinking about the problem and a solution again, I thought I'll do it post Diwali so that I can share it with you. So here I am. I'm going to share with you how to make a very simple tie holder with the help of only 3 materials. So keep watching and let me know if you like it. Happy crafting! To make a tie holder or socks holder or ring holder for your wardrobe, you need the following items. You need few bangles. I have about 9 of them. You need wool to cover it. In case you do not have wool, then you can also use these kind of cello tapes available in the market, or even if you don't want to, you can just go ahead like that. You need a hanger. In case it's not there, this is quite optional. We can use wool instead of this, a pair of scissors and a glue gun. So let's get started. Now the first thing we'll do is we'll arrange these bangles in the desired shape of the ring holder that we want. So for example, I'm going to arrange it like this and then put a second layer down and a hanger over here. You can go ahead with this kind of arrangement. Also, or in case you're not planning to use a hook, then you can go for odd numbers also. Then you'll have to tie a woolen thread over here to be able to hang it on command hook. Now let's start covering these bangles with the help of this wool. So it is a pretty simple task. So hold this part of the wool tightly and start rotating. So I am done with the first with the first bangle. I'm going to tie a knot here. So I'm done with the first one. Now I'm going to cover all of these bangles one by one. I've covered all the bangles with wool. Now depending on the length of the wardrobe, you can increase or decrease the size, increase the length or decrease the length. We can go ahead with this arrangement, which is small arrangement and can be utilized anywhere. In this case, I'll have to rearrange the position of the hook here. So I'm going to place the hook here now. And this is going to be in fact more sturdy. Now let's go ahead and connect all of them together. Now one of the easier ways is to use a glue gun to fix them together very tightly and very firmly. You have to use glue gun at 2 points, one this and the other one will be this. Now these are the 2 points. This is the third point where I need to attach the bangles together. Let it dry. We can do one thing more here to ensure that it is firmly held together. We can tie Now we are going to place the hanger over here, or you can simply make a loop like this. Take 3 layers like this and just weave them together. The only problem is that you will not be able to hang this on the steel rod. You can hang it only with the help of command hook on the place, whatever suits best. I'm just going to let it dry for a while. Once this is dry, I'm just going to tie it so that it is firm, as I did it with the bangles over here. Just pull the hanger and test the strength of the hook. If you feel there is a need to tighten it further, please go ahead. So now this looks firm to me. I'm going to just tighten it up further. This is your tie hanger. Let's see how it looks. This is the tie holder which we just made, and I've placed it on the steel rod in the wardrobe. Now you can also use a command hook on the door. This is one of the steel hooks that I have, and I thought let me utilize this for the tie holder. So I'm going to place it right here. I am just going to take off the sticker. I am going to place this. So this is the tie holder which I've placed on the door of the wardrobe, so that saves the place inside the wardrobe. So see you then. If you liked it, let me know, and have a great day. Hi, if you've liked my video today and you found tie holder to be simple and useful, let me know in the comments box. And if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for latest notifications for my video. So please keep watching this space, and happy crafting. Bye bye.